Aloha fam, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Super excited today. I've been holding on to this product by Ulanzi for quite some time now. Just one of the many things that I've had sitting on my table here. But Ulanzi is a pretty big company. They're pretty well known. People have been talking about them for a long time. When I first heard about them on social media and through watching videos of some friends of mine, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna check out this other brand because there's like a million out there. But someone swore by this mount magnet style product made by them. It's a GP4 quick release base. So I got a couple of them, and I'm using one right now that's on this tripod I got, and it's pretty freaking amazing. I'm super stoked. I'm kind of bummed I waited so long because it's super convenient, super easy to use. They don't call it a quick release for nothing. But yeah, so I'm going to unpackage this one right now. I got two of them, so one I'm using right now currently, and I'm just kind of going to show you what, how the package is sent and what all comes with it. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's check it out. So here it is right here. Go ahead and unpack this right now. Not a whole lot of information, just kind of tells you some of it's in another language. But GP4 GoPro quick install magnetic adapter, made in China, Mahalo, China. And yeah, pretty stoked. Like I said, I'm a little bummed that I waited this long to get this going. But yeah, so it just comes with this 1/4 inch release, which is what I currently, just screws onto the screw, whatever product you have. Like for instance, my tripod that I'll show you in a second, just screws on the top there, and then it's got that magnetic portion. So let me just take this off real quick. So depending on how you're using it. So for the tripod, I got this on there, just screwed it on there, and then you got your adapter. You just kind of, it's magnetic, obviously. Clip it in there, turn it, 1/4 turn, and then you can unscrew this, which is something I can't stand with all my products, is I have to keep screwing, unscrewing, and all that stuff. And it's not a hassle, but this is definitely way easier. And then you can slide your GoPro in here, it's like anything else, and just tap it on there. So for instance, I got this little GoPro, the mini tripod, and I went ahead and put that other portion on there by Ulanzi, so I can easily just take off the GoPro that I'm using right there, just disconnect it and pop it right onto here. So if I want to go to a smaller tripod, the tripod I have right now is a little bit bigger, just easily quick release, pop it on this bad boy. I can also pop it onto the bike. Obviously I have, GoPro mount that's on the handlebars. Just kind of give, all of you another view of me on the bike, which I try not to get too much of. Good thing I have the helmet on. But all jokes aside, this thing is just super amazing. So it just came with that one other piece. Comes with the regular one, which is currently on here. And, yeah, I'm super stoked. It's, obviously this one, the small tripod has a little tiny screw. It takes 2 seconds to do. But still, when you're able to just kind of twist and turn and remove and then place on something else, just makes it super convenient. Yeah, just a little turn, remove, fumble, and same thing, return and putting it back. So pretty stoked about this product, especially too because I have 2 tripods. I have the mount on the bike, and then I also have the mount on my helmet. So when I put the clip on the helmet here, I can also do a quick release on the helmet as well. Totally forgot I had a second camera. So I got that magnetic portion on here, and boom. Plug and play, just like that. And there you go. And then you're all set for your helmet. Pretty cool, man. And then when you want to take it off, just twist, remove. Now I want to go tripod action. Bust out the tripod. Boom, bong. Ready to roll. Super simple, super easy. Like, how crazy is that? And then, yeah, let's show an example on the bike as well. All right, so now we'll go to the bike. So we're in the garage, so magnetic, do that turn. And it turns pretty tight, so once you turn it, it really locks in pretty good. So I'm a little skeptical right now. I won't know until I try it out. So, but still, yeah, man, just super easy to use. Pretty freaking amazing, man. And just twist and roll, man. So now I'm back from the house. Want to record more content. Twist this off, take it off like that. And then boom, back to one of my 2 tripods. Just like that. Like, how easy is that? It's crazy. So I'll record more to share because those 2 I've had. Just opened them up, and unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, but I ordered 2 more. So I got 2 more coming in, so I can just kind of have the brackets, the mounting pieces on, you know, my tripods, the helmet. I got another helmet, and then on the handlebars of the bike. And these are cool because they work for all the GoPros from 5 all the way up to 10. And then the GoPro Black, the DJI Action 2, and the Osmo. I don't really know too much about those because I don't own any of those. And then the Insta360 camera works for that as well. It pretty much, anything that's GoPro, it'll attach to. One thing I like about this too is that they're inexpensive. One of them just one of them is $11.95. You can get on Amazon. And then I just, the 2 that I ordered came in a 2-pack for $18.95. So do the math. You're saving money there. So I'm going to put the link in the description below to for Amazon to go grab it on there. So the link, all the info will be in the description below. So go check that out. Click on that and get a few. I know I just saw my boy Ben, Bikes, Beards, and Brews, was using it on a ride on one of his videos that he dropped yesterday or the day before. And it was cool for me to see that because he was riding at pretty decent speeds and couldn't tell. There was no, the audio, I mean, the video portion of it was perfect. Nothing was moving around. So that was really good to see. But yeah, let's go take a ride on the bike and just see what it does. So I'll have one mount on the helmet, and then I'll put the other one on the bars and see what it does. Let's go. Let's check it out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super nervous. I mean, they feel great. They feel built tough, man, but you just never know. So they're on there magnetically and twisted and all that good stuff. So let's get up to some high speed to see what she does. It'll be interesting to see the footage. But also, too, want a quick shout out to my boy, Motorbike Mike. He's also, I think his video is the first video that I saw, and it was a long time ago. And that's actually why I wanted to get these bad boys, was from his video. So, Mike, good stuff, brother. So I got it on the handlebars. I normally don't pay attention to the GoPro when it's on the bars, so it seems like it's shaking, but you know, these GoPros are pretty legit. I got both of these are 9s, but the hyper smooth action is pretty cool. So great feature. So we'll see when we watch the video, see what the playback shows. And then obviously I got the one on my helmet right now. So yeah, man, just pop it on there, a little turn, and it's locked in. So far so good. I haven't of course I'm gonna hop out here when there's traffic killing me. Just do a quick ride real quick and just see what these bad boys do. Semi-nice day in Oregon. It's a little chilly. Nothing too crazy though. Got some clouds, got some clear skies. So, but yeah, man, shout out to Ulanzi, man. They got a lot of accessories. A lot of great products out there. And this is the first one for me that I'm trying out. So I'm at about 60 miles an hour right now. And so far so good, man. When I roll out to Sturgis this year, yep, I said it, going to Sturgis, more to come on that. I'll be dropping out. I'll be dropping a bunch of videos on that. It's my first time getting ready to pop that cherry. And yeah, gonna document everything. There's a lot of gear that I still need to get. A little tent action, sleeping bag, saddlebags. I don't know if I'm going saddlebags or if I'm getting a little rack system action going. Windshield, and obviously stuff that I can detach, because I'm not really into windshields and whatnot, but it's probably wise to be making an 18-hour trip. It's not going to be a straight shot either. Anyway, not to go into too much detail, more to come on that. How convenient though. I kind of like too that the camera, you know, that little piece that you add on to attach, it puts the camera up a little taller. And then also on the helmet, you know, pops it up a little bit, and then you can adjust it easier to go back or forward more or whatever. I just did this chin mount. It's from chinmounts.com. Plug them too. That's another video, but kind of having issues with what they sent me, but I think it's more user error than anything else. I think it's just me, but I just ordered another chin mount because I got a second helmet. Shout out to Scorpion, love their helmets. I got myself a second Scorpion EXO R420 helmet, gloss black. Currently at 70, 75. Well, so far so good. Couple bumps. Still holding on. Man, that would be the worst. Having a camera fall off. These GoPros are not cheap by any means, so I got a lot of house chores to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around over here and head back to the house. Just want to get this ride in to test these mounts out. Okay, come on, let's check it out. Alright, so that ride wasn't bad. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this right here, turn it, boom, unattach it. Let's walk in here. Come on, cameraman. So I just took off my camera off of here. That's on the tripod right now. So it was locked in like that. Just took it off, boom, connected to that in like 2 seconds. So pretty awesome, super convenient. But yeah, I like it. Golly, can't believe I'm still gone since November and it's not even close to a full beard. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Shout out to Ulanzi once again. I'll have all the info in the description of the video. Go check it out. The links will be in there. I'll throw links in for everything. Ulanzi, GoPro stuff, my helmet. If you don't have a Scorpion helmet, go get one. Probably need a lot of crap for that. But anyway, also too, what are you guys using for mounts? What's difficult for you? What's easy for you? What are you guys doing to make it easier for you? This is something that I'm making, you know, it's helping me make it easier on myself. So pretty stoked about that. And $11.95 for one, for two, $18.95. It's a deal. It's a steal. Great product. Stand by it. Obviously you can tell from the ride. That everything went well. So right on. You know what to do. Stay safe, stay blessed, and let's continue to spread the love, people, because we need it. Boom. Fat Boy out.
Be sure to like, comment, and Hulk smash that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get notifications when we upload new videos.